Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we will see a term called caveat emptor. This is a specific term used in purchase order. It's a Latin phrase that can be roughly translated in English to let the buyer beware. While the phrase is sometimes used as a proverb in English, it is also sometimes used in legal contract as a type of disclaimer. In many jurisdictions, it is the correct law principle that places the onus on the buyer to perform due diligence before making any purchase. The inclusion of caveat emptor disclaimer is intended to resolve dispute arising from information asymmetry, a situation in which seller has more information than the buyer about the quality of the goods or service. For example, if Asan wants to buy a car from Alizan under caveat emptor principle, he is responsible for gathering the necessary information to make an informed purchase. In order to gather this information, Asan may decide to ask Alizan how many miles the car has on it, whether any major component need to be replaced, whether it has been serviced regularly, and so on. If he buys the car for asking price and makes little or no effort to assess its true value and the car subsequently breaks down, Alizan is not technically liable for damages under the principle of caveat emptor. In practice, there are many exceptions to this principle. For example, if Alizan lied about car's mileage or maintenance need, she would have committed fraud and Asan would in theory be entitled to damages. Market forces act to reduce the applicability of a caveat emptor in some cases. Warranties or guarantees of quality or satisfaction that sellers issue voluntarily to buyer. If the seller provides a quality product, they will not need to provide refund or replacements very often, and buyer will be inclined to choose these vendors based on perception of quality alone. Thanks for watching. Bye.